Hello and assalamu alaikum, my beautiful YouTube family. I hope you're doing well. The days are getting brighter and lovelier and sunnier, so I thought it's that time of the year that when you feel like you want to have some nice crunchy light salad in your lunch. So let's begin. I am bringing you the iconic street food dish of Indonesia known as Gado-Gado. It is a beautiful salad packed full of nutrients and vegetables and yumminess, you name it, and it's there. It's got a dressing which is heavily based on peanuts and peanut butter and coconut water or coconut milk, some chilies, shrimp paste, garlic, and a few other condiments. I have also used some palm sugar. If you can't find palm sugar, you can use any unrefined sugar, coconut sugar, or even jaggery. Gord bhi istemal kar sakte if you can't find it. So the other thing I wanted to say is this galangal. If you can't find galangal, don't try to substitute it with ginger because it's not ginger at all. This is ketchup manis. This is basically Indonesian or Malayan ketchup. If you don't find it, don't worry, just use oyster sauce instead of this, and some soy sauce, equal parts, 1 tablespoon oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, and there you go, you can replace your ketchup mayonnaise. And then we have got this beautiful luscious coconut milk that I've added, and I'm just going to coarsely ground to the consistency of, I would say, porridge or double cream, that kind of like creamy porridgey texture. That's what we're after. I've also added some lime into it. Give it a good stir, and that's it. It's done. As you can see, it's really smooth, a little bit of peanut crunchy bits inside, and that's it. And in terms of vegetables for the salad, you can have anything you'd like. I have got plenty. I've got bean sprouts, I've got 2 types of cabbage, carrots, greens, coriander, cucumber, and some red chilies. So you can have whatever you like, whatever is available to you. You can add potatoes as well if you want to. I have also added some rice noodles in it as well. You can add any other if you wish, but this is ready. So what I'm going to do is just plate up the vegetables and drizzle it generously with your peanut sauce, that peanut dressing that you've made. Be liberal and serve it as in a pot as well on the side, because that's the way they normally serve it. Decorate it with some crispy fried onions, which I've also shown. If you want to try my recipe in the kushari recipe, the link is somewhere given up there at the top with the I button. And then we've got some really soft boiled eggs, really gooey in the middle. These are seduced eggs, and they are delicious, and that's it. It's all ready. So do like and subscribe to my channel, the usual drill, and for more stay tuned, and I shall see you in my next video. Till then, ciao ciao, Allah Hafiz, take care, and remember me in your prayers and in your duas. Thank you, take care, bye.